Welcome to Lombok on Waterfall, a combination of modern comfort with traditional Eastern-inspired ambience. A sanctuary, an escape for the soul. This is a place to live at the foothills of these magnificent mountains which form part of the World Heritage Dorrigo National Park.
Hi, I'm Andrew from openhomeonline.
And I'm John, and welcome to Lombok on Waterfall.
Let's start with the main residence, which is currently tenanted at just over $400 a week. Solid and surrounded by carefully planted gardens, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 separate lounge areas, 2 bathrooms, a study, dining room and large kitchen. Originally designed for 2 separate living spaces, the floor plan flows well. There is a massive 2-car garage and storage area off to one side. At the rear of the house is this self-contained studio. Completely renovated, it could be utilised as in-law or further guest accommodation. And then, further along this private driveway is your income. This elevated timber walkway bordered by giant bamboo and tropical gardens leads to the front deck of the fully self-contained villa. Huge, over 100 square metres of open plan living which entices guests back time and time again. It's obvious why. The king-size bed, seductive mood lighting, and views over an ever-changing landscape below. There is DA approval for an additional 2 villas. Take advantage of this immediately and capitalise on this extremely popular tourist route. Or simply get a feel for Lombok and take things at a slower pace. 10 minutes down the road is one of New South Wales' most wonderful towns, Bellingen, located on the banks of the timeless Bellinger River. A further 15 minutes will take you to picturesque beaches. All this is your domain. Mountains, valleys, water, trees, air and space are in abundance. A private, functional home with ready-made income through a reputable, popular tourist destination.
John and I moved here for a reason. It's properties like this that made the decision easy.
We look forward to taking you through in person.